Ever feel like your spare change is just disappearing? Like it's vanishing into thin air, leaving you wondering where it all went? Or maybe you've thought about investing, dipping your toes into the stock market, but the whole thing feels overwhelming, complicated, and frankly, a little scary. Well, you're not alone. Millions of people feel the same way. We live in a world where saving and investing seem like they require a finance degree and a Wall Street trading floor. But what if I told you there are apps out there designed to make investing accessible to everyone, even those of us who are just starting out or who simply want a hands-off approach? Today, we're diving deep into two of the most popular players in this space, Acorns and Stash. Both promise to simplify investing, but they go about it in slightly different ways. So, the big question is, which one should you choose? Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why these apps have gained such traction. Traditionally, investing involved opening brokerage accounts, researching stocks, and making trades, often with significant minimum investments. Acorns and Stash have disrupted this model by lowering the barrier to entry. They allow you to start investing with small amounts of money, sometimes even just a few dollars, right from your smartphone. Acorns, perhaps best known for its roundup feature, takes your everyday purchases and rounds them up to the nearest dollar. That spare change is then automatically invested into a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, ETFs. It's the definition of effortless investing. You spend as you normally do, and your small change works for you in the background. Stash, on the other hand, offers a more curated and educational approach. While it also allows for small investments, it provides users with a selection of individual stocks and ETFs based on different themes, beliefs, and risk tolerance. It aims to empower users to learn about the companies they're investing in and make more conscious choices. So, we have Acorns with its automated simplicity and Stash with its educational and slightly more hands-on approach. Which one aligns better with your financial goals and comfort level? Let's break down the key differences to help you decide. First up, investment options. Acorns primarily offers pre-built portfolios constructed with low-cost ETFs from Vanguard and BlackRock. These portfolios are diversified across different asset classes, such as stocks and bonds, and are designed to match different risk profiles, from conservative to aggressive. You don't get to pick individual stocks with Acorns. The platform manages the asset allocation for you based on your chosen risk level. This hands-off approach is perfect for beginners or those who prefer not to spend time researching investments. Stash provides a wider array of investment options. While it also offers pre-built portfolios, it goes further by allowing you to invest in individual stocks, including fractional shares, meaning you can own a piece of a company even if you don't have enough to buy a full share, and a larger selection of ETFs categorized by themes like clean and green, tech titans, or do the right thing, socially responsible investing. This allows for more customization and the opportunity to invest in companies or sectors you believe in. However, this also means a bit more research and decision-making is required on your part. Next, let's talk about fees. Both Acorns and Stash operate on a subscription-based model, which is different from the traditional commission-based model of many brokerage firms. This flat monthly fee can be appealing for those with smaller account balances, as it doesn't eat into your returns as much as percentage-based fees might. However, it's important to consider how these fees might impact your overall returns as your account grows. Acorns offers several subscription tiers. The personal plan typically includes investment accounts, checking accounts, and retirement accounts, IRAs, for a flat monthly fee. Higher tiers may include features like family accounts and more advanced financial planning tools. Stash also has different subscription plans, often offering varying levels of features such as personal brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, debit cards with stockback rewards, and investment advice. The cost of these plans varies, so it's crucial to compare the features offered at each tier to see which best suits your needs. For very small balances, the flat monthly fee of either platform might represent a larger percentage of your overall holdings compared to a percentage-based fee. So, it's worth considering this as your investment grows. Now, let's delve into ease of use and user interface. Both Acorns and Stash pride themselves on their user-friendly mobile apps. They are designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, even for those who are completely new to investing. Acorns boasts a very clean and straightforward interface. The roundups are seamlessly integrated, and it's easy to see your portfolio performance and adjust your risk tolerance. The focus is on simplicity and automation, making it effortless to set up and let it run in the background. Stash also has a well-designed app, but with a slightly more information-rich interface. You can easily browse the available stocks and ETFs, read descriptions about them, and learn about different investment themes. While still user-friendly, it offers more features and options, which might feel slightly more complex for absolute beginners. Another important factor to consider is educational resources. Stash places a stronger emphasis on financial education. The app provides articles, guides, and insights to help users understand the basics of investing, different types of investments, and financial planning concepts. This can be particularly valuable for those who want to learn more about where their money is going and make more informed decisions. Acorns, while providing some educational content, primarily focuses on the ease and automation of investing. The emphasis is less on in-depth learning and more on getting started and building wealth gradually through consistent, small contributions. Let's talk about account types. Both Acorns and Stash offer taxable brokerage accounts. Additionally, both platforms provide options for retirement accounts, such as traditional and Roth IRAs, allowing you to invest for your long-term future with potential tax advantages. The specific types of retirement accounts and the ease of setting them up might vary between the platforms, so it's worth checking the details based on your individual retirement savings goals. A unique feature of Acorns is its checking account and debit card, which integrates seamlessly with the Roundup feature. This can make the process of saving and investing even more automated and convenient. Stash also offers a debit card with stockback rewards, where you can earn fractional shares of stock when you make purchases at participating retailers. This adds another interesting layer to their platform. Now, let's consider the level of control. If you prefer a completely hands-off approach where investment decisions are made for you, Acorns is likely a better fit. You choose your risk tolerance, and Acorns takes care of the rest, managing your portfolio allocation and rebalancing it as needed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.